Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's video I am going to talk about how to add bullet points in Excel. And in this video I am going to make this video as simple as possible, and I am going to give you the simplest way in this video. Please watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So I'm going to give you simple ways to add bullet point in Excel. So the perfect for organized list inside the cell. So first of all, first method that will be use a keyword shortcut window. So first of all, you need to be click on any cell, then you need to be click on press alt then +7, and that will be numeric number in the keyword. It is well for Windows only. So click on 7. Once you click over here, you need to be click enter and you will get this bullet point. This is the first option, and then you need to be go on the second option. The method will be copy and paste the bullet point. Once you completely get your bullet point, just copy it by Ctrl C, and then you can easily paste it one by one. So the process is really simple. Just copy it and then alt plus enter, the easy process. And the method 3 will be use the symbol menu. So first of all, select an cell and go to the insert option here in the top, then click on symbol. You will find out in the last of the row here, click on symbol, and then you need to be choose font from the last windings and click over here, and then you need to be scroll down to find out the bullet point. So scroll down and you can see this is the bullet point, and once you select it, just click on insert. Once you click on insert, then you can see our bullet point has been pasted in that cell. So the process is really simple. So if I give you the method 4, then I will definitely say it is the simplest way. So we are not going to method 4. If you apply this on your way, you are allowed to make your bullet on your Excel. So I hope you love this video. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.